This is not correct. The available evidence shows over the last 3 years there has been a 28% decrease. This is not an effective way to analyse the data. What this does is it combines the low impact incidences with the high impact incidences. If we address the problem, which are the high impact incidences, which are still too high, but only one every fortnight, it is a very different figure to the one which is presently being used of 3 a week. This is simply not the case. Our own regulator, the NRW, recommended moving from 2.3% to an 8% designation. In England, it is certainly not the whole territory, and that is also the case in Scotland. In Northern Ireland it is, but they brought in a significant funding package and there are key derogations to their regulation. We believe this is woefully inadequate. The Minister has announced a £11.5 million package. The impact assessment identifies a minimum cost burden to the industry of £360 million for this regulation. This is a really disappointing statement. As an organisation, we have worked tirelessly as office holders, as staff, as members across the country to work with stakeholders and Welsh Government to provide a workable solution to this issue. It has hardly been acknowledged and it certainly hasn't been heeded.